Do you want to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant to install or upgrade Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Windows 11 Installation Assistant is one of the best ways to upgrade your computer to Windows 11. If you want to upgrade your PC from Windows 10 to 11, then this video will be helpful. Here is how you can use Windows 11 Installation Assistant to install Windows 11. Let's get started. How to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant to install Windows 11. If you want to update your Windows 11 to the latest Windows 11 feature update version on your computer, then too you can use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or Windows Update Assistant to do the job for you. Even if you haven't received the update via Windows Updates, you can use this official tool to download the same update. Before going ahead with the steps, you must know a few things. Your PC must support Windows 11 in terms of hardware. Otherwise, you cannot use this method to install or upgrade to Windows 11. You can check out this link to find the Windows 11 system requirements. You must have an internet connection to download Windows 11 and complete the installation. It allows you to keep your Windows settings, apps, and files intact. However, you can remove them if you wish. You must have a valid Windows license. You must have the PC Health Checkup app on your PC. If your hardware meets these requirements, please proceed. Use Windows 11 Installation Assistant to install or upgrade Windows 11. To use Windows 11 Installation Assistant to install Windows 11, follow these steps. Visit the official Microsoft website to download the Installation Assistant. Then double-click on the setup file. If you already have the PC Health Checkup app on your computer, you can click the Accept and Install button. However, if your PC does not have the PC Health Check app, you need to download it, verify if your computer meets the Windows 11 hardware requirements, and click the refresh button. Once done, the Windows 11 Installation Assistant will start downloading and verifying the updates. After that, Windows 11 will start installing automatically. Meanwhile, save your ongoing work, as your PC will restart automatically after a specific time once it reaches 100%. If you do not want to wait and restart immediately, click the Restart Now button. Following that, the installation will continue. Do not turn off your computer in the meantime. Once done, you can find the lock screen of your computer. You need to enter your passcode or PIN to log into your user account, and you are done. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.